Good morning, students. Let us start with our sample paper number 5. Again, multiple choice questions we'll discuss. Question number 3. The extract, what a thunderclap these words were to me. Questions. What were the words that shocked the narrator? Parents are equally to be blamed. Children had neglected their studies. It was their last French lesson. Mr. Hamel spoke to him kindly. Why did the words sound like a thunderclap to him? The news was startling and unexpected. The news blamed the people of Alaska for not learning their language. The news made Frenchmen full of hatred against the Germans. The news made them feel emotional. Why did the words affect him deeply? He was blamed for not learning his lessons. He was asked to water the gardens. He regretted not having learned his lessons. He was unable to recite his lessons. What did he think about the teacher? Franz thought the teacher was cranky. Franz became more sympathetic towards the teacher. Franz thought him to be strict. Franz thought the teacher gave too many tests. Now B part. Derry. I thought this was an empty place. I didn't know there was anybody here. Mr. Lamb, that's all right. I am here. What are you afraid of, boy? That's all right. I thought it was empty, an empty house. So it is. Since I am out there in the garden, it's empty until I go back inside. In meantime, I am not here and likely to stop. A day like this, beautiful day, not a day to be indoors. Why did Mr. Lamb say it is all right? He was happy to have someone in his garden. He thought Derry had come to pluck apples from his garden. He realized Derry was frightened. He thought Derry had come to meet him. Mr. Lamb was trying to explain Derry that it was a beautiful day to stay indoors. It will not longer remain empty once he goes inside. Emptiness is a matter of perception. He was in the garden, so the house was empty. Derry was hesitant because he thought Mr. Lamb might hurt him. He was afraid of rejection. He didn't like to talk to people. He had in fact come to pluck apples from the garden. The trait of Mr. Lamb reflected through this extract: kind, mysterious, self-obsessed, or self-centered. C part. The experience had a deep meaning for me, as only those who have known stark terror and conquered it can appreciate. Which experience is the author referring to? Mastering the skill of swimming, learning swimming in the pool, overcoming fear of drowning, near-death experience. Who can appreciate his experience? Who had experienced and overcome fear? Who are sensitive by nature, who have never experienced fear, who are calm and patient. The word conquer means surrender, capture, submit, or retreat. What did he learn from his experience? Enjoy water sports, overcoming fear, appreciate others, value life. Now question number 4. Oh, on their slag heaps, these children wear skins peeped through by bones and spectacle of steel. With mended glass like bottle bits and stone, all of their time and space are foggy slum, so blot their maps with slums as big as stone. Children are described as poor and malnutritioned, strong as steel, blots on map, dreamy and hopeless. What is their slag heap? Pile of waste, broken glasses, miserable future of children, thin bodies of children. The expression spectacles of steel with mended glass refers to broken spectacles worn by children, sign of poverty, mended spectacles, distorted and unclear view. What do maps symbolize? Decorated walls of the classroom in the slum school, the world map, the world outside the slum, the dark world of the children in the slum. Now B part. Therefore, on every morrow, are we reading a flowery band to bind us to the earth, spite of despondence, of inhuman dearth, of noble natures, of the gloomy days, of all the unhealthy and overdarkened ways made for our searching. What are we doing every day? Strengthening our bond with the earth, leading gloomy days, creating a garland of flowers, trying to find everlasting happiness. What are the flowery bands that bind us to the earth? The beautiful things in nature, the beauty created by man, inhuman intentions, heaven's brink. What does despondence mean? Hope, happiness, enjoyment, despair. What does the expression of inhuman dearth of noble natures refer to? Lack of happiness, lack of kind people, lack of beautiful things, lack of shady place. Now question number 5. How did the wizard help Roger Skunk? By using magic wand, by chanting, by helping him get rid of foul smell, all of the above. Why did Sahib's family leave Dhaka? Because of lack of enough food, because of friends, because of lack of resources, because of parents. The iron master mistook the rat trap peddler for an old servant, an old regimental comrade, an old employee, an old cousin of his wife. Why did Gandhi appeal for teachers? To remove the cultural and social backwardness, to increase the literacy standard. He didn't trust teachers of Champaran. He connected himself with large political and economic solutions. The massive weight of uncle's wedding band is a subtle reference to male oppression, suppression at the hands of her husband, the heavy gold ring, the huge gold wedding band makes her uncomfortable. Why, even in spite of physical disability, did Mr. Lamb not feel lonely? Because he was busy, because he had a garden, because he had servant, he kept himself busy. What do clean clothes signify in the poem Keeping Quiet? White, shining clothes worn by statesmen after war, newly washed clothes worn by people to look good, clothes which have blood stains, a change in perceptive and modified behavior. Why does Kamala Das look out of the window? To look out at the trees, to distract herself, to look at the children, to cure her boredom. According to Keats, what is the concept of beauty? Beauty is a cause of suffering for people. Beauty is cause of all happiness that we get. Beauty is nothing that is there in the world. Beauty is a quality which always gives happiness. Students, before this sample paper, I have posted the answer to the previous sample paper number 4. You match your answers of sample paper number 4 and do the next sample paper 5. But when I post the next, I will post the answer of sample paper 5 also, and we'll discuss the answers in the online class also. Thank you, students.